Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a lovely day. So today's video is going to be a 2-look mini video for a little NARS palette, and this is the Hibiscus palette. This is from the Voyager collection, you could say, series. There's 3 of these little mini palettes. I have 2 of them at the moment and I'm on the hunt for the 3rd one, so hopefully I'll be able to find that and have a complete playlist for you. So this one is called Hibiscus and it is lovely reds and cool tones. This shimmer here is absolutely gorgeous. So this is the 2nd look that you're going to see out of the 2. I hope you enjoy it. Before we do get into the videos, I just want to mention that my skin is the same for each look, and I will have everything listed down below in the description box if you're curious what I did use. I didn't do full face video for this because it is the 2 looks, so always check down below if you're looking for something. Anyway, let's get started.
Alright, so we're going to start off this look with a piece of washi tape. This is paper tape that's softer on the skin so it doesn't pull. And I'm going to take the Cocoa Beach shade out of the Hibiscus palette and a really fluffy brush from Morphe and put that straight into my crease and blend it out. I really want a really diffused edge on this, so I'm going to go in a couple of times and build it up. Then going in with Polanco. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. It's the red shade in the bottom line, and I'm using a flat brush from Morphe and patting that onto the lid and packing it on, and then I've switched to a small crease brush to kind of roll that on top of the Cocoa Beach shade, so that it's almost like a already darkened red smoke. Just a different technique that I was trying. Going back in with that original blending brush and softening that out, and then going back over with the flat brush for Polanco and just packing it on and building it up until I'm happy with the vibrancy. On the inner corner, I'm taking this nude double-ended pencil from Essence, and I'm just going to put that on the inner corner and on the inner corner quarter of the lid. Sorry, can't speak today. And I'm going to use what's left on the flat brush with the Polanco colour and blend that in. And then over the top of that pencil, I'm going to take Bastakia. I hope I pronounced that correctly. But I'm just using the both sides of the flat brush to blend those 2 together on the lid so that's nice and seamless. And so I'm going in with a black face paint. I really enjoy using black face paint as an eyeliner. It is water activated and it's super creamy. So I'm just going to do quite an exaggerated wing today. And then I'm going to go ahead and pop on some mascara and some really big lashes. I'm going to take that same nude pencil on my waterline. Because we do have reds and pinks on the eye, it can tend to make your eyes look red and a bit sickly. So putting that in there is a preventative for that. I'm going to take that Cocoa Beach again on the pointed brush and just take that really tightly on underneath my lower lashes and some mascara, and the eyes are complete. I'm taking this bronzer and I'm really going to bronze up my face. Whenever I wear red eye shadows, I tend to look even more pale than I am, so I've really got to warm up my complexion when I do. So I'm just taking that all over the face, along the hairline and under the jaw, and just really building that up for a nice glow. The highlighter I'm using today is an oldie, but I still love it. It's from NAITO, and I'm just putting that on my cheekbones, the high points on my face. And then for lips today, I don't have the lipstick in front of me, but I will have everything listed down below for you. But it's a lip pencil from Designer Brands. It's really, really nice. That's it for the completed look for day 1. Day 2, we're starting out with our tape already on the eye, and I'm just blending out the concealer. I'm taking the shade Kowloon, I think is how you pronounce that. And I'm taking that straight through the crease using that blending brush. It's a really nice, it's almost my skin color, so I had to build it up quite a bit, but it's a really nice nude shadow. Then I'm going in with Meiji with a flat brush, and that didn't really work. The brush didn't pick it up, so after I've kind of put as much on the lid as I could with the brush, I then went in with my finger and really patted that on, and that really made the eyeshadow pop. You could use the brush, as you can see it's still going on, it's just not like it should be. Going back in with that Kowloon colour, just to blend that out, and then we're going in with the red, which is called Zona Rosa. Sorry, Zona Rosa, said that backwards. And this I thought would be really cool just for a pop of the pink in the inner corner. Again, I'm taking my black face paint as an eyeliner today, and again another exaggerated wing. Really love wearing a really big wing when I have really big lashes that I want to wear. It just adds so much to the look. Going in with mascara and just coating my lashes, and then I'm going to pop on the really big lashes. I also added some mascara on the lower lash line. Taking that bronzer from before, again today, I really have been enjoying wearing it. It just gives a really nice warm shimmery vibe. I love it. And just going a little bit stronger today. And again, taking that same highlighter from NAITO in the high points of my face. On the lips today, I am wearing a new NARS lipstick. I cannot remember the name for the life of me. It's one of the new limited edition ones. I'll have it listed down below, but it's absolutely gorgeous.
Okay guys, that is it for this little video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think down in the comment section below. Have you got this palette? Have you used it? Did you do videos? Do you have an Instagram? Leave all of that in the comments and I'll definitely go and check it out. It's really cool to see all the different combinations that you come up with just 6 simple eyeshadows. And you can definitely go as crazy or as simple as you like. So don't forget to give this video a like if you liked it, and please subscribe if you're interested in more of these videos. I have a ton of videos coming up that are very similar to this one, different looks, different palettes, different brands, and if you have any suggestions or ones that you would definitely like to see the way that I do my formatting for my videos, definitely let me know as well and I will put that on the list. I hope you're having a fantastic day or night wherever you are and whenever you're watching this, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!